Hello, my name is Courtney of Courthousecouture. I'm a lawyer, but not your lawyer. And yes, I've been practicing law for 16 years in the state of Texas. Now, I am in Collin County, Texas, which, as many of you know, and there are so many people here, I am here because I wanted to hear the recusal hearing for Judge Roach. Now, Judge Roach was the initial judge in the Carmelo Anthony trial, and Judge Roach was actually removed. He will not be able to act as a judge in any future trial proceedings should they happen for Carmelo Anthony. When Carmelo Anthony entered in the courtroom, he was smiling, his spirits were bright, he had really great energy, everybody was excited to see that. Obviously, people had to keep their voices down. Russell Wilson was the main lawyer on Carmelo Anthony's new legal team that led through all of the legal proceedings. He talked extensively about the actions of Judge Roach, and essentially, and you can hear people chanting, you could essentially tell that he was very passionate about Judge Roach being removed because Judge Roach actually did a full interview on WFAA, a Dallas ABC News affiliate, about the Carmelo Anthony trial. But it was the timing within which he did that interview that ended up being the reason that he was recused. He did that interview still within the time limit for any new attorneys or Carmelo's defense attorney at the time to actually file a motion for new trial. That means he could essentially be the judge again. It wasn't really appropriate for Judge Roach to do that. The judge, who, by the way, Judge Harrell, was the same judge who presided over the Uvalde trial. He was actually the person who presided over this hearing because he didn't really know Judge Roach. I feel like the hearing was fair. The hearing did not last very long, but there is still a lot of work to be done, and there will be an actual motion for new trial hearing tomorrow. I'm going to keep you updated, and we'll have more for you a little bit later today.